Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausage? Hello and welcome back. My name is Craig, aka the Saxon Forager, and today I'm going to show you a recipe from my book Eat Like a Viking. Today I'm going to be making sausages. Now, during my cookery courses, this is the point when all the crude jokes come out, and I'm sure you don't want me to recite them here, so all that's left for me to do is pull out my sausage stuffer and get to work. Start by finely chopping 240 grams or 1 cup of venison. Then finely chop 60 grams or 1/4 cup of pork fat. Put the ground meat and fat into a large bowl. Finely grind 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you can get it, long pepper is best. Then grind 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add the salt and pepper to your bowl of meat. Chop half an onion as finely as possible and add this to the bowl of sausage meat. Finely chop about 1 teaspoon of fermented wild garlic. If you don't have wild garlic, then a clove of garlic will work just as well. Add this to the bowl of meat and mix everything together well. At this stage I like to soften everything by mashing it with a rolling pin. Soak a sausage casing in water and rinse thoroughly. Attach it to the end of a sausage horn, or in a modern kitchen use a sausage machine. Stuff the ingredients through the horn and into the casing. This is a slow process. Avoid rushing or overfilling the casing as it may split. Once you've used all your mixture, remove your sausage horn and tie both the ends of the sausage. If there's any trapped air in the sausages, prick the skin with a small needle or pin. I like to make one big Cumberland sausage as I find it easier to cook over the fire. However, it is possible to make individual sausages. To make individual sausages, simply pinch and twist the casing at regular intervals. Be sure to make each twist in an opposite direction to avoid unravelling. To cook the sausages, boil them in water. A great alternative is to use stock or beer. Cook for around 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through. Optionally, you can then finish these by cooking them on the grill to give them some colour. So there you are. Thank you so much for watching. I'm off to eat my Saxon sausage. Goodbye. Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausage?